Welcome to CSEC Biology TCP. I am Mr. Wilson from the TCP Academy. Today we're looking at the feedback mechanism, and if you know me well, I am trying to get those topics in that tend to be problem for a lot of students. So today, without further ado, I'm going to hop right into the lesson. I won't be saying much, but I want you to support my book on Amazon, which you'll see throughout the lesson. And of course, please be reminded that we are still offering classes to ensure that you ace your CSEC exam. Without further ado, let's hop right into the lesson.
Feedback mechanisms. What are feedback mechanisms? Feedback mechanisms are processes that organisms use to maintain homeostasis, a stable internal environment. These mechanisms detect changes in the body and trigger responses to correct them. There are two main types of feedback: negative feedback, positive feedback. 1. Negative feedback mechanism. Definition: a negative feedback mechanism counteracts a change in the body to bring it back to a normal state. It's the most common type of feedback in biological systems. How it works: a change is detected, stimulus. A response is triggered to reduce or reverse the change. The system returns to equilibrium. Examples: body temperature regulation. If you're too hot, your body sweats to cool down. If you're too cold, your body shivers to generate heat. Blood glucose levels. After eating, blood sugar rises. The pancreas releases insulin to lower blood sugar by helping cells absorb glucose. Blood pressure regulation. If blood pressure rises, the body sends signals to lower heart rate and dilate blood vessels. 2. Positive feedback mechanism. Definition: a positive feedback mechanism amplifies a change instead of reversing it. It moves the system further away from the normal state, usually until a specific event ends the process. How it works: a change is detected. The response intensifies the change. The loop continues until a goal is achieved. Examples: childbirth. During labor, contractions push the baby toward the cervix. This causes more oxytocin to be released, intensifying contractions until the baby is born. Blood clotting. When a vessel is injured, platelets stick to the site and release chemicals. This attracts more platelets, rapidly forming a clot. Lactation, milk letdown reflex. When a baby suckles, the brain releases oxytocin. This causes milk to be ejected, encouraging the baby to keep nursing. Summary table. Feature: negative feedback, positive feedback. Direction of response: opposes the stimulus, enhances the stimulus. Goal: maintain stability, homeostasis, achieve a specific outcome. Common in body: yes, very common, less common, but crucial in some cases. Example: thermoregulation, blood sugar, childbirth, blood clotting. Feedback mechanisms diagram. Feedback mechanisms. Negative feedback, positive feedback. Maintains balance, amplifies change. Returns to normal state, continues until goal. Examples: body temperature, childbirth. Hot sweat, cool contractions, oxytocin. Cold shiver, warm oxytocin, more contractions. Baby born stops. Blood glucose. Glucose, insulin, glucose. Blood clotting. Platelets, chemicals. More platelets clot. Key differences. Feature: negative feedback, positive feedback. Goal: stability / homeostasis, achieve a specific outcome. Effect: reduces initial change, enhances initial change. Common is very common, less common. Stops when once normal state is reached, once end goal is achieved.
Thanks much for watching. Please be reminded to like, share, and of course subscribe, and go check out my book on Amazon. You're going to be seeing it on screen about now.